Bigger and better things are coming for next year's staging of the Mouttet Mile, including at least one calendar change, a promise made by the promoting company SVREL following the successful fourth staging earlier this month at Caymanas Park. Denise Walters has the details.
The executive chairman of SVREL, Solomon Sharp, says while all the details haven't been pinned down yet, what is agreed on is that the fifth staging will be expanded.
And what I can definitively tell you is that next year we're going to have a weekend of Mouttet Mile.
Sharp, however, couldn't confirm whether or not there will be an increase in purse.
I don't know yet. I hid from those meetings so far because I wanted to just get this one out the way. I did accept and commit to 2 days next year. So we're going to go back to all the different negotiations with the family to see what the purse will be.
Meanwhile, what may be seen as a drawback is the running of the Mouttet Mile on the same day as the Cigar Mile, a Grade 2 American thoroughbred race for horses 3-year-old and over for a purse of $500,000.
Remember this, Cigar stopped running over 20 years ago. We are just 4 years old. We will take our time and get to that. And then whenever Naira and Fox says that you're going to have your own weekend on TV, we're just preparing ourselves for that. But we're going to need big corporate sponsorship. We need the tourist board to step up bigger and better. We need all the other elements that are involved in destination tourism to step up and make it bigger and better.
In the meantime, despite scaled down operations with the execution on the 4th floor instead of on the infield, the promoter continues to walk the walk in providing a quality event for punters and fans alike.
A lot of people don't know that Supreme, we've been doing tremendous work on the relief side. I mean, right after the hurricane, we've been sending teams out, sharing generators, sharing Starlink, and we're working with a lot of people to move stuff out. But in the same breath, the Prime Minister is saying, listen, we have to get back to work, we have to get back to business, So we try to middle the ground, where we have this event. It's actually bigger, interestingly, than before. So it shows that, whilst it's a tough period, people want to go somewhere and, just take their mind off the stress.
Executive Chairman of SVL, Gary Peart, says the sport and industry continues to be attractive.
But it shows again that what we're doing here at Caymanas, we're now attracting new, diverse owners, and, we continue to do well.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise.